Good morning, dear children. As we discussed in our online Zoom classes about the first chapter of science, crop production and management, now a short video is providing to you so that you can revise whatever we learned. First of all, there are two type of crops we discussed are Kharif and Rabi. Kharif crops are generally sown in rainy seasons. Okay, so you have to keep in mind some examples. These examples are soybean, maize, paddy, groundnuts. Another one is Rabi crop. Rabi crop mostly grown in winter season. The examples of Rabi crops are wheat, gram, pea, mustard and linseed. So the basic difference between these two are one is grown in rainy season and another in winter season. Now we are moving to the topic agriculture practices. So we can define agriculture practices as the activities which are done for getting crop. So the first activity is preparation of soil. As we discussed, the preparation of soil is done by tilling process. So the tilling process can be done by hoe, plow and cultivator. So the basic definition of tilling is that the turning and loosening of the soil. The sowing is the process which have its importance because before sowing good quality of seeds should be selected. Okay, and if we select good quality of seeds we will get a high yield. Also the sowing process includes the knowledge for sowing seeds. So there are some methods which we already discussed in online classes. Again I am repeating that we can sow seeds by using seed drills and some traditional methods also. The another practice is adding of manure and fertilizers. So the manure and fertilizers, these are essential things for the nutrients because if our crop will be healthy then our yield will be good. So the basic difference between manure and fertilizers is a fertilizer is a inorganic salts and they are prepared in factories, but the manure is a natural substance which can be prepared in field also. Okay, by using cow dung and cattle dung, human waste and plant residues. So dear children, you have to keep in mind the basic difference between fertilizers and manure because it is the most important part of this chapter, that what is the difference between them. So first difference as I discussed you is one is inorganic salt and another is a natural substance. Okay, the basic thing is that the fertilizers provide nutrients in less time. We can say that if we want a greater quality or good quality we can use fertilizers, but manure have its long lasting effect. You can say if we are giving manure to our field, so the nutrients availability should be maybe less, but in comparison of to fertilizer, the manure will provide good holding capacity to the soil. In turns, you can say it will never damage the quality of soil. Okay, but fertilizers, once if you use, it will give you good result. But if you are using fertilizers again and again, then it may damage your soil also. Okay, so fertilizers should be used, but in preferable to that we should use manure. Okay, so dear children, these three activities, as we discussed in online classes, you have to revise all the three topics. After then, in next video I will provide you the remaining activities and remaining portion of this chapter.